How y'all sleep, man? Do you not see this shoe? Do you not? Am I tripping?
Jay making movies.
Rock money enough. Ascolta.
Yeah. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that vibe. Better watch me now, the heat I'm popping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy.
YouTube family, what's going on with y'all, man? Welcome back. Glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy, your homie, all that good stuff, man. Jay the Sneaker Guy here to show y'all the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Yes, Heritage joints are in the building. Finally, I had these shoes forever, but finally getting to them, man. We have officially had these released overseas and in the US. It released recently in the US on May 25th for a retail price of $170, and this is really a home colorway of the Chicago Bulls, if that's right? I think home is white, away is the dark colors. Either way, you get what I'm saying. But yes, it is one of those colors of the Chicago Bulls team. So for that, I feel like this shoe is a must cop because I already know how the Chicago colorways do, man. It's shocking. This shoe was going below retail before they released, and that's just crazy, man. So is the Jordan brand hype dying? I mean, I don't want to say that it's slowing down. It's slowing down, but trust me, it will be back with a vengeance. And this is one of them shoes that will come knocking at your door like, hey, why you ain't pick me up? You remember, look, you remember Jay the Sneaker Guy vlog? They was sitting in the store. You remember StockX? You remember GOAT? You remember eBay? They was all below retail. Y'all remember how y'all did me? Bam! 350, 375, 425. Bruh. It's coming, man. But hey, I'm just calling it how it is. Trust me, if you come back and watch this video some years down the line, you will see what happens with this shoe, man, because it is a very good looking shoe. But yeah, man, we about to dive into that. Before we do, if this is your first time rocking out, you know what I'm saying, checking out the fam, rocking out with your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy, we need y'all to stick around, man. Hit that subscribe button. We on the road to 100K, and we getting up slowly but surely, man. So hey, it is what it is, man. I truly appreciate all the comments, the likes, the feedback, support, greatly appreciated, man. So hey, everything that y'all do put down in the comment box does get seen. It does not get overlooked, man. Although I might comment late, respond late, you know, I will get back to y'all, and I will heart it, man, because hey, I appreciate y'all taking y'all time and leaving feedback. But other than that, man, I gotta give a big shout out to Outrank brand. You know what I'm saying? Outrank. Hit your boy with the tee of the video. Check it out, check it out. That is the tee that I am rocking with the Air Jordan 1 Heritages. They sent your boy over this tee, man. So you can get that tee over at Outrank. I will leave everything down below in the description. So go ahead, grab one of them tees, get fly, get fresh with them Heritages, and don't sleep on them, man. But other than that, man, make sure y'all are traveling the right way. Yeah, they know. Bang, man. Grab you a Soul Premise bag today, man. The link is down below in the description, man. If you are a sneakerhead, if you are anything, man, if you are just a person who likes to just be on the go, move around, this is the perfect bag for you, man. You can hold your clothes in here, laptop, sneakers. Speaking of sneakers, yes, with an S, because you can hold up to 5 to 6 pairs of shoes inside this bag. This is the Luciano leather bag. They do have something a little bit smaller for your daily use called a daily commuter, which you can hold 2 pairs of shoes in there, laptops, accessories, all that good stuff, man. Hey, shop Soul Premise, man. Make sure y'all do that today. Like I said, everything is linked down below in the description. Plenty of storage space. Like, look at the top of that. You got 3 different sections on the top, 1 section on the bottom that you can throw some shoes down in there talking. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, man, hey, tons of storage, tons of good quality, man. So hey, grab your Soul Premise bag today. Link down below in the description. We ain't got to go into detail, man. Hey, if you know, you know, man. But shout out to everybody who has been shopping and letting me know that y'all liking y'all new bag, because they A1, man. But hey, let's talk about these Heritage ones. They sleep, bro. They sleep. Bang! Here we go, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Like, how y'all sleep, bro? How y'all sleep, man? Do you not see this shoe? Do you not? Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Red toe. Like, this shoe is the same exact color blocking as the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. And I did have a podcast meeting with a local sneaker shop, and we were talking about what makes a shoe hype. You know what I'm saying? Is it the name behind the shoe, the story behind the shoe? And we was arguing that the colorway makes the shoe hype, but I don't think so, man, because this shoe didn't have no hype, and it is identical, in my opinion, to a Travis Scott Fragment. It is just a different color, you know what I'm saying? So, same exact color blocking, but you don't have the backward swoosh. As a matter of fact, let me bring in them Travises real quick. Bang! Here we have them, bruh. We got the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott High Fragments, in which your boy, I'm still recovering, man. My head is still swollen from the beating my head took to get these shoes, man. But anyways, man, as you can see, the identical same color blocking. You just got a giant backward swoosh, but the colors are exactly in the same places on both shoes. You just got a red, you just got a blue. This, the hype is through the roof, man. The hype is through the roof. This, y'all sleeping, man. So I think it's the name behind the shoe, man. Travis Scott, you know, you put the name behind the shoe, and you know, that's what's gonna make it hype, man. Yeah, in my opinion, man. But anyways, on to the next topic. Do not sleep. Do not sleep. Trust me. This shoe, as well as bang, this shoe is gonna come back and haunt y'all. Trust me. I'm telling y'all right now. Jay the Sneaker Guy is telling y'all, do not sleep on these 2 Air Jordan 1s, because you will regret it. With that being said, man, let's dive into the review. Starting with the box. Taking a look at the box that it does come in. It does come in a special packaging. Shout out to Jordan Brand for the recent dope packages that they have been doing recently, man. The military black 4s, like the list can go on, man. But shout out to y'all. Keep that going. You know your boy Jay loves them boxes. But all over white box. Red Nike touches all over the box. And taking a look at the size tag. If you take a look at the size tag, it does read Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color blocking is white, university, red, black. So that is the color blocking. I did pick up my pair from Offspring UK when they allowed your boy to do it. This was actually, I think, one of the last shoes that they delivered overseas. They no longer do overseas shipping. So it was fun while it lasted, man. Your boy picked up a lot of shoes from over there, but hopefully they'll return back that overseas shipping, man, because that was a little extra source that I can get my shoes from. But anyways, man, that's the box contents on the outside. Taking a look at the inside of the box, you do got a lot number Nike swoosh on the top of the lid. On the inside of the box, it comes with white paper, no stamps, no stickers inside of that. That is it for the packaging, man. Let's get back to the kicks. Bang! Here they go again. Outsole, all red, Air Jordan 1 outsole. Nothing special about that. Let me get up, man. Let me get up close and personal, man. How are y'all snoozing, man? Look, y'all need to hit that alarm, bro. Hit that alarm because y'all is tripping. But anyways, man, all over white midsole on this shoe, as you can see. Moving up to the upper, you got hits of white, very stiff leather, man. The leather on this shoe isn't the greatest if you are a quality head. Nothing too much going on these sides. It really reminds me of like an Air Jordan 1 low. It's like stiff like an Air Jordan 1 low, all on the white parts. However, on the red parts, we got a different situation, man. Nice tumbled up leather on the toe box area as well as on the back, so it softens up on those red parts, and as well as up here, man, up here on the ankle collar, nice soft plush area. So you just got this hard leather along the white parts, but it does soften up along the red parts. But red Nike swoosh, which does have a tumbled leather hit on it, as you can see. Black Jordan Wings logo, same thing on the inside as the outside. red toe box, as we did briefly discuss. They come with black laces, OG lace, as you can see, but they do come with a extra set of 2 laces. They do come with white laces as well as red laces. So I think the 3 laces that they come with is enough. We don't need to overdo it. So those are the 3 lace swaps that your boy will do. Although you can throw some yellow in here, you can throw, hey, you can do a couple different things with this shoe, but we gonna keep it with just what they come with for now. You do have a white nylon tongue that the shoe does come with. Red Nike branding right there on the top. Taking a look at the inside, you got more of that Nike logo branding on the back. Is there a number underneath here? I don't got a number underneath this pair right here, but inside shoe tree, half size, 9 through 9.5. This is a size 9. It reads die cut sock liner. And inside of the shoe, as you can see, white interior sock liner and insole, not sock liner, white insole, Nike Air branding on it. And you do got the black sock liner right there. As I did say, black laces, we already know all that. These shoes were manufactured from September through November of last year. I don't know if y'all can see that, but September through November of last year. And like I did say, man, trust me, this is one of those shoes that you do not want to sleep on. I know right now you can possibly find these in a lot of your retailers, man. There will be restocks of them, so I'm telling you, grab them when you see them, because you're gonna regret it down the line, man. In my opinion, it's a very clean Air Jordan 1, and for that, man, on a scale from 1 to 10, your boy has got to give this shoe a cool 8.5. Cool 8.5, man. I don't know why people are sleeping. I don't know, hey, like I said, I don't know, but I'm definitely feeling the shoe. Definitely coming out during the summer. Nice red and white shoe, red, black, and white shoe, that is. But yeah, man, hey, y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Did you cop? Did you sleep? Are you going to cop? Y'all let me know, man. Other than that, we're gonna throw them on feet, and we got a lot more movies on the way, man. So y'all already know what Jay doing, man. Jay making movies, man. So till the next time, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, stay blessed, and let's make this movie, man. Peace.
Rock man enough.
They thought we was done. They got another thing coming. Ride big, Bronco, live big, condo, get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, big face, Hundo, Big J, Rondo, Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo, drip to a T, open for business, got drip for a fee, JTSG, fly like a fleet, stay with the heat, no need to speak, rob on the beat like Muhammad Ali, stay with the 3, he gon' ball like Harry, clear skies, everything is Ari, so don't bother, everything is on me, yeah, Jay Tarantino, the family hero, let's keep it a C-note, matter of fact, keep it a kilo, ooh, woke up this morning, there's so many shoes, talking so many, don't know which to choose, so many colorways, so many hues, ride big, Bronco, live big, condo, get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, big face, Hundo, Big J, Rondo, Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo, ride big, Bronco, live big, condo, get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, big face, Hundo, Big J, Rondo, Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo, Big J, humongo, Lonzo, big, humongo. Ride big, Bronco, live big, condo, get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, hater, Jondo, Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo, humongo, get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, Big J, Rondo, Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo, drip to a T, open for business, got drip for a fee, JTSG, fly like a fleet, stay with the heat, no need to speak. need to speak. Rock on the beat like Muhammad Ali. Jay with the 3, he gon' ball like Kyrie. Clear skies, everything is I read. So don't bother, everything is on me. Yeah, yeah. Jay Tarantino, the family hero. Let's keep it a C-note. Matter of fact, keep it a kilo. Ooh, woke up this morning, there's so many shoes. Talking so many, don't know which to choose. So many colorways, so many hues. Bobby. Big face, Hundo.